today's video ay kung paano mag-generate ng PRN or Payment Reference Number ng Employer Contribution.
Wow!
First is, login tayo sa my.sss. Then click PRN Contribution. So, every following month, automatic nag-generate yung SSS ng PRN Contribution. Then, nagbe-base sila from previous billing month. Then, kung same lang yung babayaran mo or walang changes, pwede mong i-download yung PRN. Or kung hindi naman tama, like may umalis na sa trabaho or may dagdag or may changes sa contribution, pwede mong i-cancel para gumawa ng bagong PRN. Then, pag cancel mo, enter your reason. Reason why. Charot. Then, click submit. Then, click collection list details. Then, click the name of employee. Kung yung employee ay terminated na or kung separate na. Or no earnings kung walang income like absent sa whole month. Then once no earning, yung monthly compensation niya ay 0.
Wow!
Or kung gusto mong mag-add ng employee, click add record. Then enter employee SSS number. Then kung tama yung pangalan, enter monthly compensation. Then hiring date. Then possession. Then, save record. Then, status ng employee is newly hired. Then, halimbawa, gusto mong palitan yung monthly compensation dahil mababa yung income niya or nagtaas ba yung income niya ng worker, pwedeng mong i-edit yung amount. Then, save changes. Then, kung tapos ka na at gusto mo nang mag-create ng bagong PRN, click Create Partial List. So, ito yung original list. Then, transfer to Partial Collection List. Then, click this. Itong dalawang arrow to the right side. Then, pwede rin isa-isahin. Then, yung employee na no earnings or terminated na, pwede mong hindi isali sa partial list para hindi na mag-appear yung name nila sa overall ng PRN. Then after, click I'm done. Then click prepare partial list. Then click OK. Then pwede mong i-download or pwede kang mamili, download or email, or download an email. Then, pwede mo nang i-print, and then bayaran. Then, kung may previous month ka na hindi nagawa ng PRN, click View Past Unpaid PRNs. Then, click Create Past Applicable Months. Then, pwede mong ma-view yung collection list, yung mga nabayaran mo na mga PRN contribution. Click Inquiry, then click Contributions, then click Cash Collections.